Welcome to this week's video, and today we're building something that's very, very different to what's out there. And because sometimes when people are zigging, you need to zag in order to stand out. And let's dive straight into the screen and get straight into the value of this particular video. And someone that I continually look at for ideas of what's actually working now is Sam Ovens. If you're in the consulting space, you absolutely know who Sam Ovens is. If you don't, he is a really smart marketer. Him and his team, they've gone from 0 to 20 or 30 million dollars or something crazy like that on just pretty much one product and a mastermind. And his original webinar funnel was probably one of the most talked about funnels in the online marketing space last year or the year before, because it was working so well, and he just focused entirely on doing that and scaled massively. However, he's sort of started to change a little bit over the last year or so. And when everybody's building funnels and all of these complicated funnels and upsells and downsells and all of that type of stuff, he's sort of like taken all of that away, and he's giving everything up front and then still generating the same, if not better, results. So if we check out his page, basically he's given the entire training right here for as soon as you click through from the ad. So this is good if you've got a good marketing budget where you don't need to collect emails as much, and you don't have to rely on email marketing, and you can spend that money. But he just gives the entire presentation here for free, no email address required. So what I call this is the no opt-in funnel, because people sometimes are just sick of giving their email address all the time. So if you can do something different and provide a huge amount of value up front, then they're potentially more likely to purchase what you're selling. So he doesn't make you sit there and watch the entire thing. You can skip through to wherever you want to be, and it's very straightforward and no BS basically. And then if you're interested, you can join his program right here, and you're essentially in his business, right? So it's a really smart way to do it. So we've built this out for you here as well, where you can start to create your own page just like this. Now, what you'll notice with this page is that it's very basic, right? There's just a lot of white space. There's a little bit of an image down the bottom. Sometimes when you're creating your pages, the getting too detailed in the design can sometimes just be a waste of time in terms of converting higher. Now, it's great for branding if you're big focused on building brand, but to just get conversions, sometimes the more basic the page actually is, the better it converts. So you can have, you can add some extra images if you wish, or, structure it a little bit differently. But we've gone for something that's super basic, super easy to put together, not entirely good looking, just gives you everything that you need, or the people that you're advertising to, what they need to actually make a decision. So I'd encourage you to at least give this a go, especially if you've already been running ads for other funnels and you're sort of starting to plateau a little bit. Just mix it up, see what happens. That's what being a marketer and an online business owner is all about. So I'm excited to see you put this one together, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But for everybody who signed up to GrooveFunnels through my account, this is what you're getting for free. You simply go into your members area, you'll be able to download this into your account. If you're not a GrooveFunnels member just yet, then there'll be a link down below and you can go and check that out today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.